So this is the main holder. You have the scanner here. You need to put the scanner on the holder. So first thing you do, you use small screws and the washers, and then you screw in the scanner in the correct position. One screw, then you have the second screw there. So you mount the scanner into the bracket. And then you tighten it up. So 1, and 2. Good. Now we go to the printer. There are 3 screws. Untight one. And take out 2 screws. Now you use the bracket and the holder. You now put the bracket on the top position, like this. You close it. And then you tighten up the screws back again. Okay. So put it down like this. Move it on the side, and then scanner facing in, screw from the bottom. Flat washer, then tag washer, and screw. So open it, open this, adjust it, close it. Then you can move it this sideways. Adjust it. Cable back, then open lid. Then 1 screw here. So open screw here. Then we use this. We put the cable in between and we slide in this plastic part, and then we put back the screw. And we close it. Then we go to the rear, take the cable, roll in, and that's it.